Dr. Adumaku Kisi, Dampacho Apom to sing Yamakwa Baba for God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM.
Yes, good afternoon and good evening.
Oh, dog, you feel too much. I feel too much. She said, I said, a Jumano dear. She said, as soon as you can see power.
It's in an answer. Your minor in idea.
Now, that's a say, no, I probot to send Dr. Bryan Acheampong. Now, probono, I want some no senate here.
Yo, did he kind of mean charity for no, Minister Unimre, but that's right. Who's a party no evidence, but my young co-consensus to consensus in your campaign. The entrainer, Acheampong election.
Sure.
Into what era Dr. Bryan Acheampong decided to send here on the party in Penny for no be holding meetings or neho from time to time. Into or year meetings for a year party in Penny for a meetings. So now one thing a dream say a manyoku sem a manyoku 480 now obieka no dey have trouble thing. It is worrying. Indeed, we support this idea not to begin with. Mboying as a party because it grew membria it's not in kukwemuni din koma it we can party the enkuyi or party the whole now face candidate and so challenges are candidates no FCA ma yabano ankuyi. Now we all of this are there are many issues from party inside any candidate inside now faces no or say and yet Dr. Baumiana a costly or a bokuntoka. So is very important say one can be say on no course bokuntoka and now on no course name or you're victim of circumstance in the sense in Tokano Pija the moon in the ethical no they are bidinya na idinya. Oh, in the last election now faces no yempo Ira Kufo Ira Nanado Omo Mpensono the party was neutral. The party still continues to be neutral. Na the Kwakrano Akobasa Afafana Ekono Ira Dr. Baumia free one side. So unfortunately for him no Wabe part of not that he is the cause, but Wabe part of that challenge. Ama to say we need free more and ye ukaso on kahua anya and for their foreign. Now Nino party does we have a deficit of over 2 million votes. Ye here their pija emu to me a winning the next election. The Krakwano ye Fadri as a party. If a party near Mount Kui, as I see dealing with them by the next 2 years, near a candidature, no so in summer air coswa, near beside was a in summer coswy. By 2 years now, the Krakranos are issues, no, it's me dealing with it. Ama and to be a wohono, affect here numbers na and no ne asembiso.
But Dr. Adumaku Kisi be travel so but sir Utien Komona a course on the videos and a montinga yetia. You know, mentioning the two tribes over there, Kusasis and Mamprusis, already though yenim a year or hawa wamu a womo. But there are some people have said, key amongst those persons, Lawyer Sebe, one of our panel members over here, say, rather unfortunate. And again, some commentary I've also heard, again, also suggests, say, Dr. Bryan Acheampong has been a security expert before. He's been a security coordinator for this country before. And making such a statement, no, Sabre amene ukase. Going on social, not in public, but now it's a public statement because somebody has leaked the statement and it's everywhere. And then you go on social media. Now we have videos of those conflicts politically popping up on social media. Don't you think, sir, Dr. Bryan Acheampong could have avoided this particular statement? Meeting, people are okushia.
In hindsight, the okasa me matuase, but I think say osha nkomobia atina nkasa zidi nti hono mesel kakra because the facts remains and say yebe kwini ma yanton ye yare a yenya no edu ekro so one why ni so a how about you solve a chrono problem nti we dey be say I think say that all check amanyo ko na dwen si bibi so say se na akoye ni mpo no credit ya nso no ne endi hun komo ne edru se ko to abane o pejum pe ebetumi edienya by one or two reasons. So whether we like it or not, it even begs the case. Does it mean say bia anka party nin ye DNT bia ba ko be ka so okay say na meso na we na de nye mema party nin na ye hwe de be, but it won't happen and they at their ANC. But make cases is a very complicated issue.
Yeah.
But it needs to be discussed.
Yeah.
One you to be obia enkata so not yet discussed the same way because a very crucial boardroom level discussion as in and Sylvia it will worry us for decades on end. And Amanyoko Ghana so there when him say obi mensia this year no they can't ne campaign when say he obi free and him fear no the kind campaign when and say hey I to say kind ika ti ebe kwetiao ti anyi yeso a na wa only try do ko is very dicey very dicey, but be it as it may, the very important thing is that the NPP party continues to be neutral about this issue. What's the matter? Will continue to be neutral. Now, faces young can't say you're Dr. Baumia, and now, of course, it predates him from being a victim of circumstance.
Okay.
The choice of words.
All right. Okay. So if that's the choice of words, and from where he also sits, listening to Dr. Bryan Acheampong, I believe he's hurt in one way or the other, because I just had an interview with Honorable Osei Chementa Bonsu, former majority leader, and they tell us would your candidate for that matter, Dr. Bryan Acheampong, and the whole camp of yours issue an apology to that effect?
Oh, now kapwa maybe I can make a year say to Mr. Bonsu said Dr. Baumia is somebody who believing in data. Now data cannot cry and no apologize about data say I don't know just all because data there and when you talk truth to data, how do you apologize about data? And yes, it may be difficult, but we need to be bold and straight about the facts.
Okay, so before I conclude with you, what if you are invited by the National Council of Elders of the party, and for that matter, the national executives of the party, to a dialogue on this particular issue? Would your stand I'm coming? Would your stand still be on say you are speaking to facts and on data rather than making sure say you guys would jojo and let that kind of coexistence thrive within yourself, so that the unity and singleness of purpose are party in the panel will be reaching that kind of feat?
know there, we continue to be for unity. But unity without truth, unity without facts. I know the that is we're not trying to be very serious as a party. So as I say, England, Irish for the England for Tokyo, only no kwedi and a ceasefire. What I say, in the ceasefire situation, one fan of kwedi and it will not hold.
Okay.
We are very firm on unity, very firm on togetherness, but the culture of being untruthful, no, it has to stop. And I think that there's a point in time, nipa didn't about the party near how it be solved here. My sentimental has no place in this. See, factual na yaw DB or you get to the root of it. You say, oh, Bryan Acheampong still loves Dr. Baumia in totality. The moment, not just technocrats, machinations within us the election, but really, candidates are strategic. We can show up the numbers are here to win the election.
All right, okay.
I mean, it's unfortunate that people have misinformed him.
Okay.
So,
all right. But I don't think they have misinformed him because he has also taken a lesson to the video and thing. But we can conclude on SOMPA that the NPP should discuss the effects of the Kusase and Mamprusi conflict on the 2028 elections going forward at a national
even 2024 first.
Even 2024
first.
Before 2028.
Yes, I mean discuss it. If you don't know your past, you can't know your future. In the a lot of people were sold of the fact that we'll get northern votes. You really know so ambassador. Into what is the issue? Is it the party or is it the candidate? And these are the questions you drive deep to bring out substantive, accurate information. Back it, that question it still holds. We were very hopeful. Presently, Dr. Baumia would have gotten a boom from the north, but you really now I'm saying
but Dr. Adomako Kisi, I want to find out from you. What does I don't know if you have perused or the Michael Okwei's report has been made available to you. I don't know if you have perused the document or even if it has not been made available to you, you've had snippets of information related to this particular subject in the Michael Okwei's report. Have you gotten that kind of information?
The media catch or Ghana for Subai Kakane yes, why never catch or he said no then Kokwana I can't say Pacho Nesse or confirm
the second.
Why never so and that culture is a very dicey one now.
So you believe
you're very careful about
so you believe that this issue that we are discussing over here is captured in the Michael Okwei's report. You believe, you have that conviction?
Oh, so any more dia na metria catch us or my new management.
Wow.
Because Collins Adumako stated it categorically, say Nimpeso Omokachen say Ometramano, but Tasseminti Omuntuma the presidential candidate. I mean Kwanameka lawyer Obri Eboa
lawyer
Obriwine Aboso Oko Western North Akontombra Omuka the same thing channel Omututia even there's already a couple there Omututia Tutia candidate which is the electoral candidate at the time. I mean, these are, if I tell you the pain people have gone through for some of these things, careers are being damaged. Listen, recently, I don't want to discuss this thing on air, but wow, him to the wale crown I asked them. I say, the open I said, Edika, Edika, na yanka, na yakata swa, na asanko shiegu.
Okay. All right, very well. Very well. Dr. Adumaku Kisi, yeah, better was say so. But it's been some time now since we had you in the studio. Yeah, I was on the show.
I go no from TD, a former brother.
I hear. Mate. We'll be looking forward to it. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Hey, Dr. Adumaku Kisi.
All right.
All right. So, Dr. Adumaku Kisi, spokesperson for Bryan Acheampong, and artist Emery Edinko.